So we did, one tip there is definitely bring the team along. I can share something here, but we did a number of sort of lunch and learn kind of things where we would talk through and through specific milestones, and one being like talking through the really what makes Figma cool. Like here, let me just share this. Yeah, so part of this is like, David McEnroe, that was part of the squad, did a really good audit of like looking at this sort of this tool stack that we were running up against, and if we could really make Figma a single source of truth, right? But this was kind of a quick presentation that we gave where we just kind of walked the team through, hey, this is what's really cool. Like there's open design, you can do communication and collaboration, right? And had some GIFs kind of playing. And did some feature highlights on auto layout and component variants and styles and override, and all the stuff that would power up your sort of day-to-day, designing, and then cross-function, like what makes it really cool with working with stakeholders and product managers, right, and prototyping. So this is just kind of a quick preview of like the point being like bringing the team along. So again, we set up a couple of these lunch and learns. And people could join and ask questions and really kind of starting to socialize this idea that we would be making the switch and getting people excited about it. Right? That's really the goal, is getting people excited.